Alright guys, here's a quick look on my new project. I'm having some trouble with cleaning my driveway. There's a lot of weeds in the way, and I wanted to clean that up, and also I wanted something to clean it up next year and ongoing. So I'm making a brush that goes and here and goes old steel wire and comes out here, and I'm going to make 4 of these, so it makes a cross like that. That one goes on there, and then it goes onto the gearbox and the motor and some wheels. I think I'm going to make the axle a little shorter, so you can it is a little bit nimbler. So yeah, this is my project. I've got the camera set up there, so so there's gonna be a longer one. This is even a preview of this, a longer video. So this is what's coming on. Well guys, see you later. Thanks for watching, and hang in there.